Namaskar everyone.
I am David.
I am Vansh.
And I am Shubham.
Greetings to everyone. Hygiene is the biggest and the most important factor in the world today. Almost 4.6 billion sewage waste is not segregated in the world.
Little problem solvers of our country.
Sewage system causes blockage of heavy waste material. In India, still places are yet to implement the idea practically. But the problem lies in the core, which means that the places which have implement the idea practically are not up to the date. To solve such problems, we have made a sewage cleaner to solve such problems at the civilized places.
First of all, how is our project different from the OG wastewater treatment?
As you noted, the wastewater treatment plant need a larger area to be planted. So we are having a 3 underground collection tank to preserve forest and land area. In this tank, the wastewater comes from the household and collected in this. We are having a filter which stops the heavy waste material such as plastic, etc. And from there it goes into the second collection tank. You can see that this is working. Oh.
The water is collected over here and then it goes into the filter where organic waste and chlorine waste is segregated. This is a heavy filter, so almost all the waste is segregated in this filter and the waste finally goes into the final collection tank.
As you can see, in this collection tank there is a UV light sensor. When the water comes in this collection tank, the UV light sensor automatically turn on the UV light and the bacteria are killed.
Now the water is clean and it's almost reusable. So now the water finally goes into this pipe and then finally goes into the households again, and now this water is reusable. We can also implement this system near river sites, which solves so many problems, like the river will be clean. The industries can use clean water and they will not put their dirty water inside the river.
In future plans, we can use this heavy waste material to convert into organic manure, which can be used in agriculture so that the food production is good.
Thank you.
Oh,